Hi guys, we're here at South Queen's Ferry. As you can see behind us, the magnificent Forth Bridge. Even on a dreich day like this, yes, dreich's a lovely old Scottish word which basically describes this. I fancy a cup of tea. We're going to my favourite wee cafe here called Lulu's, so come and join us. They're really wild, so we found this brilliant little cafe. It's called Lulu's, it's in South Queen's Ferry, and it's got some brilliant ice cream. Sorry for the short sleeve shirt. I know it's October, but we've had our flu jabs today, so I need this short sleeve shirt. Right, okay. Yeah, so what do? You find a cafe, you find some great hot chocolate and marshmallows and cream, etc. Lulu's is famous for its ice cream. Every single flavour under the sun is really, really gorgeous. So if you're with a tour with me sometime, we'll pop into Lulu's and get yourself some ice cream. Now I mentioned before that we have this walking tour on Saturday. Saturday's Halloween. We're being delighted to be joined by Mariah, mariahthemedium.com. It's going to be interactive, you'll be interactive, we'll be interactive, and we're going to walk the mean streets of Edinburgh. From the base of Edinburgh Castle, down the Royal Mile, down Victoria Street, which is aka Diagon Alley, into the Grass Market and on to the Piece de la Resistance, Greyfriars Kirkyard. It's going to be quite dark by the time we get to Greyfriars Kirkyard. Halloween.